Hello everyone. Today we will do Chapter 15 Introduction to Graph, Exercise 15.2 from NCERT book. The first question is plot the following points on a graph sheet. Verify if they lie on a line. It means we have to plot the points on a graph sheet, and after that we have to tell they lie on a line or not. Line should be vertical, horizontal, diagonal, but it should be in a single line. So you can see the first part A. The A point coordinates are 4, 0. B coordinate are 4, 2, and C coordinates are 4, 6, and D coordinates are 4 and 2.5. So first we have to put the coordinates on a graph sheet. The first point A, 4, 0, it means coordinates are 4 and 0, and first we have to put the x coordinate, that is 4, and y coordinate is 0. Let us see on a graph sheet. Yes, you can see this. X-axis will be a horizontal line and y-axis will be a vertical line. So you can see the first coordinate, that is 4, 0. It means A is 4, 0. First we have to plot 4 on x-axis and y. It lies on the x-axis. We will put next is 4, 2. B coordinates are 4 and 2. So we can take 4 from x-axis and 2 from y-axis. That is the B point. The next is C. 4, 6. 4 we can take from the x-axis and 6 we will take from the y-axis. That is the C. Same with the D. 4 from the x-axis and 2.5 from the y-axis. 2.5 lies between 2 and 3. So we can join all the coordinates points. Let's see, they lie on a line. Yes, it will make a vertical line. Yes, all the coordinate points lie on the single line. Next, with the B part, they have given points P, Q, R, S. The first point is P, coordinates are 1, 1, Q coordinates are 2, 2, and R coordinates are 3, 3, and S coordinates are 4, 4. So first we have to take 1, 1, 1 from x-axis and 1 from y-axis. When we plotted all the points, if they form a line, yes, all the coordinates points lie on a single line. It will make a diagonal. So yes, all the coordinate points lie on a single line. For the next part, for the C part, they have given the points K, 2, 3. So for K, 2, 3, we can take 2 from x-axis and 3 from y-axis. That is the K. Next is L, 5. L is 6, 3. We can take 6 from the x-axis and 3 from the y-axis. Same with M, 5, 5. 5 from x-axis and 5 from y-axis. And next is N, 2, 5. X we can take 2 from x-axis and 5 from y-axis. They will not form a single line. When we join the coordinates, join the points, they will not form a single line. You can see on the graph. So we can say that no, the coordinate points do not lie on a single line. Next, question number 2. In question number 2, they said, draw the line passing through 2, 3 and 3, 2. They are asking, we have to draw a line passing through these coordinates. We have to first plot these coordinates on a graph paper, and then we can pass a one line through it, and after that find the coordinates of the points at which this line meets at the x-axis and the y-axis. After that we have to see that line touches on which point that touches the x-axis, and the on y-axis it touches the which point. So let us see. First we can plot the point 2, 3. So we can take x from 2 from x-axis and 3 from y-axis. For next 3, 2, we can take x 3 from x-axis and 2 from y-axis. Always remember in your mind, when we are plotting the points, the first point we have to take from the x-axis and second from the y-axis. We can plot it with A and B. So let us join a one line, and from x-axis it will meet at C point, and from y-axis it will meet at D point. So let us find the coordinates of C and D. So CD is the required line segment through the points A and B, which meets at x-axis at C 5, 0. Because 5, 0. Why it is 5, 0? Because on x-axis it's a 5 point, and from y-axis it is 0. And from y-axis D is at 0, 5, because we are writing the first coordinate of x-axis because they lie on the y-axis. So that's why the coordinates are 0 and 5. Next, question number 3. Write the coordinates of the vertices of each of these adjoining figures. So what we have to do, we have to write the coordinates. Let's see the figure. There are the points A, B, C, P, Q, R, S, L, M, K. These are the points given. We have to write their coordinates. So first let us see the A coordinate. For A point, x-axis will be 2 and y will be 0. So we can write 2, 0. For O point, the origin coordinates are 0, 0. For B point, for it will comes from x-axis from 2 and y from 3. So B coordinates are 2, 3. We cannot write 3, 2 because first we have to write the coordinate of x and then we can write the y1. For C it is 0, 3. So let us see the P coordinates. It comes from x-axis, it will from 4, and from y-axis it will be 3. So 4, 3 are the coordinates of P. For Q, it is 6 from x-axis and 1 from y-axis. That's why Q coordinates are 6 and 1. For R, it x from x-axis it will be 6 and from y-axis it will be 5. So R coordinates are 6 and 5, and S coordinates 4 from x-axis and 7 from y-axis. So S coordinates are 4 and 7. Same with, we have to write the coordinates of K, L, M. So K coordinates are 10, 5, L coordinates are 7, 7, and M coordinates are 10, 8. So first you have to write the coordinate. When you have to write the coordinates, first you have to take the point from x-axis and next one from the y-axis. Now let us do the next question. Last question of this exercise. State whether true or false. We have to say, is it true or false? Correct, that is the false statement. We have to correct the false statement also. The first point, a point whose x coordinate is 0. It means from x coordinate it's 0 and the y coordinate is non-zero, will lie on the y-axis. They said y coordinate is non-zero. Non-zero means we can take any number. Let us take any number. I can take the number 2 for the y coordinate, will lie on y-axis. So the coordinates are 0, 2. 0, 2 will lie on the y-axis. Yes, because 0 and 2, when we are plotting on a graph paper, yes, it will lie on the y-axis. That's why we can say it's true. For the second, a point whose y coordinate is 0 and x coordinate is 5 will lie on the y-axis when we are plotting. So the 5, 0, so it will lie on the x-axis. So that's why we said false. The point will lie on the x-axis with coordinates are 5, 0. The coordinates of the origin are 0, 0. Yes, it is true, because where both x's meet, x and y axis both meet, that point is called origin, and their coordinates are 0 and 0. I hope you all will understand this video and this exercise better, and you can do questions by yourself. Thank you, everyone.